Hello, Namaste. Welcome, beautiful soul. Thank you for being here. I'm Anna Breeze, Holistic Life Coach. Do you ever feel lost or unsure about your true purpose in life? Are you unsure of your direction in the world right now? Maybe it's to do with your work or relationship, maybe where you live, or maybe you feel like you have a deeper purpose or calling and would like to explore that in a safe and sacred way. So, especially I think in these changing and challenging times that we find ourselves in, it's easy to feel disconnected or like there's something missing or holding you back from really expressing yourself as the authentic, powerful being that you are. If this resonates with you, I'd like to invite you to consider taking a very deep, profound spiritual transformation journey with me on my course, Awaken and Awaken Your Inner Light and Soul Purpose. If you're an empath, healer, or spiritual seeker who's ready to step into your power, then I'd like to share a bit more about this course with you. So this 4-week mini course is really designed to help you take you on a journey of spiritual empowerment and expression where you can unlock your highest potential. You'll deepen your connection to Source within you, heal and transmute old family and societal beliefs that may be keeping you stuck and limiting you. Maybe they're even showing up in your relationships. Find clarity around your soul's calling and purpose so that you can step into your true power and embody your aligned, authentic self in service to others. Many of us are feeling that calling, especially as empaths. We can feel the suffering, the pain in the world, but it's very important that we transmute our own wounds, our childhood traumas, if we are to truly step into our own authentic way of service. And there's never been a better time really for doing that with all the facilities that we have to connect and communicate with the world at large. So imagine you could peel back the layers of self-sabotage that have been keeping you hidden and small, and then start stepping into a confident, unapologetic version of yourself. In my course, we'll create a sacred space for you to let go, be yourself, and embrace your unique gifts. I'll be with you as your guide and mentor along the way, available to answer your questions, and I'll be sharing energy healing techniques that will be empowering for you and help you really strengthen your own ability to show up and serve in the world. And we'll be doing these in your own personalized session with me as you work through the course materials. The course is self-paced and designed with empaths and healers like you in mind. So over the next 4 weeks, you'll be guided through personal growth exercises, energy healing techniques, and self-inquiry to overcome deep-rooted challenges. You'll receive one-on-one coaching with me, supporting videos, and ongoing email support throughout your journey. It's really more than just a course, and it's based along with my book, the self-discovery journey that's in this book. But this is it in course form, so that you can work through it in a way that's all laid out really nicely on my website, and you'll have one-to-one coaching with me as well to really be there to answer your questions as you go through the materials, and to help heal emotional blocks, set powerful intentions, to step confidently into your purpose as an earth steward, empathic light worker, and healer. And if none of that resonates with you and you're just looking for a personal self-discovery journey, then this course will suit you for that too. So together we'll work through the 4 transformational pillars of the WISE method, which will help you to break free from the conditioning that has held you back. And I'll share my journey as well. I spent many years going through an awakening journey, an awakening process. And so really, I wrote my book and this course to share with you what I've learned in order to live a happier, just more fulfilling life that is not about pleasing other people. It's about really your relationship with spirit or source, and then how that translates into the world as service in a way that help raises the vibration of the planet for everyone. And I'd like to say, when we heal ourselves, we become clear about who we are and what we're meant to do in this lifetime. So if you've been feeling confused, disconnected, or like you're hiding your amazingness from the world, now is the time to step into that light. This course will guide you every step of the way as you uncover your soul's purpose and express it fully. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. When you join, you'll become part of a supportive community of like-minded souls. And if you're the only one on the course, then you'll be working with me. You have me to yourself. But yeah, generally speaking, there's a Facebook group where that I've already established, and there's people there you can talk to about your journey. And we're really here to support one another. There is no separation as each one of us heals and awakens, steps into our light and our authentic being. That gives permission for everyone to do the same thing. So one by one, we're really raising the vibration of the planet and consciousness here. So we're here to support one another and walk this path together. So if you're ready to awaken your inner light, discover your soul's true calling, to live with purpose and joy, then I invite you to enroll today. Let's make this journey together. You were born to shine, and I can't wait to see you step into your power, because I know who you are. You are this divine being, divine light that has unique gifts and unique talents to share with the world. So click the link below to join. And as a special bonus, I'm offering a free 20-minute clarity call for those who want more personalized guidance, to ask questions, and to just see if this is for you. So thank you for being here, beautiful soul. I look forward to working and walking alongside you as you awaken your true potential. Namaste, and I'll see you soon. And if you think there's anyone else that might be interested in this, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more spiritual empowerment videos. Thank you, take care, I love you, and see you soon. Bye for now.